Workshop!
What are we doing this week?
This week we're unboxing this cordless air compressor.
Yeah, so let's get into it.
Here we go!
When unboxing, I like to use a box cutter, but I don't have one on me because I don't even know where it is. I lose box cutters like mad. So I'm just gonna cut in with these scissors. Yeah.
Instruction manual.
Cardboard, free cardboard.
Plastic bag with a battery in it, looks like.
Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. This is a DeWalt 60 volt, 20 volt max, 6 amp hour battery. So this is a 6. So, and the big 60 volt one. So, dang, these are cool. Alright.
Oh, there's something else still in here. Looks like a charging stand.
Alright.
And the box.
Sweet. So, this is the DeWalt cordless air compressor. More cardboard.
Plastic.
A battery. This looks a little scratched up.
Oh man, they gave us an old one.
Might be a refurbished one. And then this is the charger. So this is not the, oh no, this is the fast charger. So it comes with a fast charger. Dang.
Cool.
I love the fast chargers. They take like an hour to charge. They're super cool. This has a cover on this case, which is great. I do like the covers. I think you squeeze them, or you just pull it like a normal battery. You just push it in, and then the cover is on. Super cool. This is a 6, 20 and 60 volt. Man, this is the flex volt. These batteries are not cheap. Probably half the price of the air compressor is in this battery right here. So battery and charger. That's freaking cool that it comes with a battery. So it's not tool only. All right, let's talk about the cordless air compressor. Let's see if we have a battery that we can put in it. All right. So I didn't have a 6 on me, but I have a 9. Here's the port for the battery on the back side. And the battery just slides in here, in this port. There we go. That is super simple. The cool part is it slides up. So the dots, you can see the dots to see how much battery's left. So that's super cool. On the back side, here are the 2 points of like pressure. Here's the release for extra release for pressure in there. Inside the front side, here's another release right here. And then there is a gauge. It goes, it says 135 PSI, 2.5 gallons, 1.2 SCFM at 90 PSI. And so here's also a gauge right here that goes all the way to 120, 135 max, but 120 is the highest number on here. And here's an output right there. So this looks great. This looks like that not only looks like a button, that is a button on the top. And that's what you use to start the air compressor, I guess. All right, we got enough in here to do what we need to do. And the gauge here has PSI and bars, so barometric pressure and PSR. The regulated pressure is what's coming out of it. The pressure in the gauge is what's actually inside here. So you can modify this if you're doing things with different required pressure. So this is a standard quick release. You just push the collar in, and then you push it in. And then you let the collar come back out. It's way easier to do before you fill it with pressure, but I'm dumb. Now, we just take something like a nail gun. Look, Ma, no cords. Pretty awesome, huh? So we can use this to fill up boats when we're at the river. We can use this for paddle boards. We can use this for anything we want to do. Or if we're on a job site where we don't have power, we can use it to power our nail guns. So that's pretty awesome. So there's two different places to release the pressure, right here and in the back, like we said. There's the pressure release right there. There's the pressure release right here. If they're both open, you can see the whole system is cleared. Sometimes you may get a little bit of frozen ice or whatever coming out of here. That's totally normal because of the pressure. So this is a cordless, brushless air compressor. They're super useful. We have had a plugged-in air compressor for the longest time, but having one in the back of our truck that we can use on site or at the river, holy cow.
That's gonna be awesome.
What a game changer. All right, so if you like videos like these,
You should check out this one!
you should also like.
And subscribe.
What? They should subscribe? Click on
Yeah!
that bell notification. Okay, we can release the pressure now. Oh, shit. Oops! I used too long a nails for our test, and I nailed this board to my workbench.
You nailed it to the workbench?
That's gonna make a blooper rule.
Yeah, that ain't going.
Yeah, whoopsie!